Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Continue.dev. In order to do so, here we are at Continue.dev, and what is Continue all about? Well, you can ship faster with continuous AI. The future of coding isn't writing more code, it's delegating the boring parts so you can build the interesting stuff. Let's just scroll down here and get an idea for how Continue works. Less repetitive work, more creative work. GUI when you want it, terminal when you need it, runs where you work. Background agents, CLI agents, IDE agents, continuous AI for the tools you already use. Sentry, Snyk, Sanity, Netlify, GitHub, PostHog, Atlassian, Supabase. We can help your team get started. You can come here and click to get in touch. You can also download Continue for CLI, VS Code, and JetBrains. So if you're interested in taking advantage of Continue.dev, head over to Continue.dev and you can click here to get started. Let's take a look at the pricing. So we have the solo, which is free. We have the team, which is $10 per developer per month. And you have the enterprise custom pricing depending on what your needs are. So if you're interested in getting started with Continue.dev, head over to Continue.dev and sign up now. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord. And also we have a variety of AI recommendations and promotions that you can take advantage of. Finally, if you're interested in a new bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.